love to pick up flowers. I was a girl who was walking in the forest. Who are you?
I'm sorry, but you are wrong. I'm the Isabella who was walking in the forest.
One moment, this is my story. Where is Little Wolf, the wolf of my story? Are you a wolf?
A wolf? I'm not a wolf. I'm a girl, Goldilocks, and I'm very hungry.
This is very strange. Why are you in my story? I think we have to go and visit my grandma.
Your grandma?
Yes, I go there every day, but I can't find her house today. If you help me, maybe she can help you to find the house of the three birds.
Great idea. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, let's go. A house. Oh, look, there's a house.
Oh yes, that's Grandma's house. Thank you, Goldilocks. Look. Thank you, Goldilocks. Knock, knock, knock.
Oh, come in, the door is open.
It's me, Little Red. Hello, Grandma.
Hi, sweetie.
Hello, Little Red. Hi there, what are you doing here?
I come here to eat with your grandma.
Yes. We don't know where Little Wolf is. Do you want some tea, sweetie?
No, thank you, Grandma.
And what about your little friend?
Oh, this is Goldilocks. I found her in the forest. I think she's lost.
Hello, nice to meet you. I was going to the house of the prepared from my story and I got lost. And I'm very hungry. So would you like some tea, Goldilocks? No, thank you. I am a little boy. The bird doesn't seem very famous.
Hello, can I come in?
Oh, a wolf. Who are you?
My name is Big Bad Wolf. Nice to meet you. I'm lost. This is the story of the little pigs. No, this is my story, Little Red Riding Hood. Oh, sorry, I'm lost.
Are you not in your story? I have the same problem. I'm also lost.
And I'm lost.
You are a wolf? Come here. I want to shoot you.
Please don't shoot me. I'm a good wolf. My name is Big Bad Wolf, and I'm very big or very fast. Please don't shoot me.
Okay, don't worry. I am a hunter. I like good animals. I only shoot bad animals. I believe you, so I'm not going to hit you.
Oh, thank you, Hunter. I only go to my store, and I lost my brother too. Your brother? Yes, he's another wolf. His name is Little Wolf, but can you see them? Little Wolf is your brother? We don't know where he is.
Oh dear. This is all very strange. A girl with no bird and a wolf with no pigs. And you are the brother of the wolf in our story. This is all very strange. Who wants to come with me to find Little Wolf?
Me, let's go!
But please, can we also find the house of the three bears? I'm very hungry.
Of course. There is a strange house in the forest. Maybe it's that one. Let's go. Come with me. I know the forest very well. Come on.
Come on.
Follow me. This is the way to the river. The house is just before the river.
I know this forest. The house of the three bears is almost here. So, let's go. I don't know where we are. I'm lost. Help me.
Don't worry, Grandma, the hunter knows the way. Relax,
Come on, don't stop. Follow me.
Oh, look. There's the house of the river. Thank you, Hunter.
You're welcome.
Follow me now. The road goes in a very big circle. We will arrive in 5 minutes. 5 more minutes. I'm very tired. Come on, Grandma, a little bit more.
I can pick you up if you want. Come here.
Oh, you are a really nice boy. But don't worry, I'm fine. Let's go, come on. Good morning, family. Before breakfast, I will prepare the porridge and some toast. Okay, let's prepare. I prepared the bed. Come on, baby bear, time to wake up. You guys, can you please set the tables? No. No, it's time to wake up. Come on, don't be lazy. You have to set the tables. Okay. Sorry. Let me see. Water. Milk. Apple. Let me see. Pillows. Sheets. Beds. Oh dear. We need some bread for the toast. Come out the bakery. Okay, let's go. Finally, here we are. This is the house of the 3 bears. is Goldilocks. First, you have to knock on the door. Yes, always knock. But why? It's nobody is.
How do you know? Maybe a random one is inside.
No, and don't worry, it's nobody. This is my story. It's always empty.
Okay, but just in case.
Okay, be careful. Oh, look, here is my porridge. Yummy. Oh, look, there are some ghosts here. I want to try something. Let me see. Oh, this one is very good. Let me try some too. Let me see. Oh, that one is very hot. Oof. I want to try too. This perfect. This one is just right.
I'm tired. Let me sit on a chair. Oh, this one is very big.
I'm tired too. Let me sit on a chair. Oh, this one is very small.
I will also sit down to clean my teeth. This one is just right.
Goldilocks, do you need a bed?
Yes, I need food. Oh, look, there are some back here. Oh, this one is very hot. Let me try some too. Let me see. Oh, this one is very soft. I want one too. Perfect. That is just right. Oh, look. My food. Somebody tried my porridge. And somebody tried my porridge too. Somebody tried my porridge and finished. Oh, look. Somebody sat on my chair. And somebody sat on my chair too. Somebody my chair. I'm broken. And somebody oh, look. Somebody is sleeping in my bed. And somebody is sleeping in my bed. One moment, Goldilocks. Hello there, hooray, I found you. But who are all your friends? It's a very long story. I don't know. Oh yes, he was in my story. And we have to visit my grandma. She helps Goldilocks to find you.
Well, I'm not ready. I'm so happy. Then I have that. I know the forest like the rock of my heart. But wait, Okay, don't worry. I missed you.
Thank you, Mother. We are my friends. Right, can we go home now? No, Grandma. First we have to go. No, first we have to find that little word.
That you picked from my story.
Don't worry, but wait. I'm sure they are in the other part of the river. Oh, sorry, baby bear. Correcting your body. No problem. We have more here than the bear. Can you take this, please? Okay. Of course. Let me see. Let's go. Oh, look. This is the other part of the house. If you want to find little birds, I'm sure they are in this way.
Where is this part of where is the no grass in this part of the house?
Because the grass grows in the other part of the river. And do you think that little bird is in the other part of the river? Yes, sure.
And that you picked from my story?
Don't worry, but it's good. I'm sure we are also in this other part of the river. Now let's find a bridge to cross the river.
Let's go.
The bridge and the river.
Oh, look, a flower.
Don't worry, baby. Well, find some grass in the other part of the river.
Yes, but first we need to find a bridge to cross the river.
Look, let's cross. Stop! I am a troll. This is my bridge. Who are you? Where are you going, baby? Go. I'm going to the other side of the river. I like goats. I'm going to eat you. Sorry, please. I'm wearing a way for Nana. She's big. Okay. It's a good idea. You can cross over my bridge. Thank you.
It's my turn now. Trotter.
Stop. I am a troll, and this is my bridge. Who are you?
I'm Hanika.
Where are you going, Mommy? Go.
I'm going to the other part of the bridge with my leaf. I also want to eat some grass.
I like goats. I'm going to meet you.
Don't leave me. I'm not very big. Wait for Daddy. Oh, she's very, very big.
Okay, it's a good idea. You can cross over my bridge.
Thank you, Trotter.
And now it's finally my turn. Let's cross. Somebody from. Stop. I am a troll and this is my bridge. Who are you? I'm Daddy Goat. Where are you going, Mom? I'm Daddy Goat. I'm going to the other part
of the river.
I like goats. I'm going to eat you.
You are going to eat me? Ha ha ha. Goats. Stop.
Stop, don't find, please. Who are you? We are a family of bears with some friends. Listen, look, if you are hungry, we have some delicious porridge to give you. And what do you want? I want to find little world about my story. Well, this porridge smells delicious, and the 3 pigs are in that direction. Okay, it's a good idea. You cannot cross over the bridge. Goodbye. Goodbye. Yummy, this porridge is delicious.
No, it's very big but very silly.
Look at that pretty grass.
And look at the flowers. They are lovely.
I know these things. My friends are somewhere here. Can you see them?
No. Yeah, no, and this is not my forest.
Then follow me. We have never been in this part of the river.
Are you looking for the 3 pigs? Yes.
Don't follow me.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Little pigs can run!
Help me.
You're going to eat us.
No, stop. We have a problem.
Who are your friends?
It's a very long story. I got lost and I found them.
So are they from other fairy tales?
Yes, and he needs some help.
Yes, we need to find little wolf, the wolf of my story.
You know, but he doesn't.
Yes, this was in our forest.
Okay, foolish man has a hand. We're going to shoot us.
No, don't worry. I only shoot but they're not. Are we all friends here? What are your names?
Okay, my name is Olga Pig, and this is my house. I made it with some bricks. And I'm Nina Pig, and this is my house. I made it with a stick. And I'm the little pig, and this is my house. I made it with a straw.
I have an idea. Why don't we build a very big mansion for everyone?
Yes, it's a great idea. We can help you. Okay, the roof is perfect. We would be happy with and the roof of the tortillas and the fever will help me with the and the roof of the tree will have me a spoon, but then it
Okay, come
Little Wolf!
Little Wolf, where were you? We have been looking in for different fairy tales.
Oh, sorry. Is all these people from the other fairy tale?
Yes!
Oh dear, I'm sorry. I was playing with my friend Jack. He gave me this magical wheel.
Magical bees? That is what the home we are.
Don't shoot me, please. I promise he said they are magical.
Okay, don't worry, I will refuse. So I'm not going to with you.
Thank you. I don't know. Can I plant them here?
No, in our garden, no.
Oh, please. Next to this big mansion, there is a big field to plant. Okay. Next to the mansion. Okay, plant them here. And now, let's move to where it's very there. Come here. Let me see. Tomorrow in the morning, evening too. I'm very tired.
And we stay in the very big mansion. Even one.
Oh, please. My house is too far away to go right now. Yes, the mansion is for everybody. Wait. Good night. What is that noise? Oh, it's raining stuff. Yes, come and see, it's huge.
Wow! You are incredible, brother. You are right.
Oh, look, the sun is coming out.
And it reaches the clouds.
I want to climb it.
Climb it? But Little Wolf, why if it disappears?
Don't worry, little red, it will not disappear. And Jack said this is a magical place on the top.
A magical place.